Welcome to our exciting exploration of synthetic streaming data generation. Today we'll be using Apache Beam through Dataflow, but don't worry, we won't need to write any Python or Java code. Let's start by understanding the big picture. We'll use Dataflow to create and send data to PubSub. PubSub is a crucial part of streaming data architectures. It's like a smart mailbox that can receive messages, our data, and send them to different places. This flexibility allows us to connect our data to various systems like Compute Engine, BigQuery, or even back to Dataflow for more processing. The key to our approach is using Dataflow templates. These templates are pre-made workflows that make our job much easier. To find the right template, we need to look carefully. When you open the template list, you might see stream and batch templates first. Don't stop there. Keep scrolling down until you find a section called Utilities. In this section, you'll discover our main tool for today, the Streaming Data Generator. This generator lets us create fake data that looks real. We can control how fast it creates data by setting the number of messages per second. We also need to give it a plan, called a schema, that tells it what kind of data to make. We'll use PubSub to receive this data because it's great at sending messages to other systems. Now let's set up our schema. We'll use a simple example that creates 3 pieces of information for each message: an ID number, a name, and whether an item is in stock. We'll save this schema as a JSON file in Google Cloud Storage so our Dataflow job can use it. Next, we need to create a place for our fake data to go. In PubSub, we call this a topic. Let's name our topic Inventory. We'll also create a subscription, which is like a listener that can receive messages from the topic. With our schema and PubSub topic ready, we can now set up our Dataflow job. We'll fill out a form where we choose our schema file and specify our PubSub topic. We'll set it to run without stopping and keep most other settings as they are. After setting up our Dataflow job, we'll start it running. It might take a few minutes before you see any data, so don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. The system needs some time to warm up and start generating messages. Once it's running, you'll be able to see the messages in your PubSub topic dashboard. To view the content of these messages, you'll need to expand each row. You'll see that each message contains a random ID, a random name, and a random true or false value for whether the item is in stock. An interesting feature of PubSub is its ability to use a fan-out approach. This means you can send the same data to multiple different targets at once. It's like making copies of a letter and sending it to different addresses. It's important to note that if you didn't set a maximum number of messages to output, this job will keep running indefinitely. This means it will continue to generate data and potentially incur costs. Make sure to stop your job when you're done experimenting to avoid unexpected charges. If you'd like to support the channel, consider starting a free trial of our new design tool, which is linked in the description, and let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and please enjoy responsibly.